This video will help you understand about oral source of modern Indian history. Let's start the class with a short story. Sam is playing guitar and his dad is working in the kitchen. Hey Sam, I've never heard this song before. Which song are you playing? Dad, I'm working on a new song. It's a classroom activity. Each one has to compose a song based on social issues. That's great, good for you. Well, I feel this activity is a waste of time. I'm not good at this. I agree, it's not an easy task. However, not a pass the time. Now tell me, why do you think people write songs based on wars and other social issues? Songs help them to reflect the challenges, disappointment, and dreams of a society? Absolutely. What role does song play in a freedom movement? Well, it plays a role of bringing masses together through interactive singing. It also educates and encourages the movement. You nailed it. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "These songs bound us together, gave us courage together, and helped us march together." With the help of songs written by freedom fighters, we get information about the conditions during pre-independence and the spirit behind the freedom struggle.
Inspirational songs, folk songs, povada are included in the oral source. Povada means to glorify. It is a genre of Marathi poetry emerged in 17th century. It is a kind of ballad written in an exciting style which narrates historical events in an inspiring way. Those who sing povada are called shahir in Marathi. The era of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the golden age of povada. It usually glorifies the valor of historical heroes. It is believed that a single povada has the power to overshadow 10 inspirational speeches. Therefore, it is a source of getting information about a historical event or the work of a person. Also, many povadas were composed to oppose the British rule. It has greatly helped in spreading Indian freedom movement in remote region of India. Therefore, it plays a significant role in the development of the society. It was used to create motivation and spirit among people. Other than freedom movement, povadas were composed on the work of Satya Shodhak Samaj, which means Truth Seeker Society. It was a social reform society founded by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule in 1873, aiming at the mission of education and increasing social political rights for the underprivileged groups such as women, Shudras and Dalits. Povadas were composed on the work of Samyukta Maharashtra movement that demanded the creation of new state from Marathi-speaking area of the state of Bombay. Thank you. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button.